Hi everyone, and welcome to section 3 of the tutorial series. As you can see, we have a lot of test items that are new over here. This is our equipment items. We have a weapon, we have a flashlight, and we have just a head box thingy and a body box thingy. These are just test items, and so is a weapon. That's a test item. The only real one which doesn't have a mesh is this flashlight right down there. We'll set up our equipment system to have a UI, ignore the fact he looks stretched and a bit alien, and because my character is starving, I'm just going to pick up our friendly meat cube and eat it real quick. Alright, you can see that we can't click any of these slots, just like we can't for our inventory system. You'll notice that we had that encumbrance thing up there a second ago. Let me just grab the other meat cube so you can see the number pop up. Boom, 140. Let me eat that meat cube again. And notice it's gone down to 0. We'll be able to have a flashlight, so if I hit F right now, nothing is happening. If I pick up our head-mounted display right there, or head-mounted flashlight, equip it, and hit F again, it activates. Because I know that's a test item, but a head-based one. If I equip it again, notice that flashlight turned off right away. And if I equip it, I can turn it back on. If I actually put that back on, if I equip this one more time, notice that the light doesn't turn back on until I equip it and hit the flashlight key again. We'll be able to equip items to multiple locations, or different items to different locations. So we know it's a head one, this is a body one, and these three are weapons. And notice that it's filled in these 3 slots. Notice these slots are all active now. Notice that those 2 slots still aren't active. So I look forward to seeing you in this section of the tutorial, and congratulations on making it this far. I hope you'll enjoy setting up your equipment system with me. And I hope that you have a wonderful day.